Another nail in the coffin for the eRipOff. Bought this months ago and just didn't get around to it. And I was packing it up. I says, geez, this is a little bit rattly. Something isn't quite right about this. What a joke. Here we go again. Just carelessly throwing into the box. I mean, you pay a fortune for this stuff. They charge you exorbitant prices. And they can't even have enough care to package the stuff even halfway decently. There's zero care to this. They just threw it into the box without a care in the world. And so now, of course, all these nice, rare, colorful handsets are in crummy condition. This is baffling to me that people find it satisfactory. Absolutely baffling to me that this is deemed satisfactory. Look at this, the wires are all a mess. I mean, come on, I didn't mess with this. I pulled this out of the box the way it was. Are you kidding me? I mean, the no packaging is one thing, but to send it like this? Now, I understand that some people are just brain dead and don't realize that things will shift in the box and get damaged during shipping, but how in the world can you find this remotely satisfactory? I mean, for heaven's sakes, look at this. What a disaster. All because of stupid. Stupid knows no bounds, I tell you, and it's getting worse. It is getting worse. I think this is the worst packaging job I have ever come across. This knotted cord thing is really something else. I've never received a package quite like this. This is so bad. This would have been worth putting a grievance in over. This didn't happen in shipping. This was like this when they put it in the box. And what did it take? 20 seconds to bundle that up nicely? I mean, how much of a careless slob do you have to be able to send something to somebody in this kind of condition? This is ridiculous. What is wrong with people today? Pay attention and care a little bit. This is not This is no way to conduct business. This is a shame. Any business that sends material out like this, I don't want nothing to do with them. This is awful. Talk about bare minimum effort. No reasonable individual would ever sell something in this kind of condition. I wouldn't even give something away to somebody like this. I would clean it up a little bit. That's how it should have been. Now, furthermore, half of these seem to have batteries in them still. So all these batteries are probably ruined because they've been sitting for a while. Oh, look at how stinking scratched up this one is now. That's absurd. Oh, like chunks missing out of this one. Okay, now there's ways that you can pack this up even without materials that at least gives it a shot at arriving to the destination correctly. So what I would have done, if you're going to be cheap and skimpy like that, is I would at least kind of stack stuff up like this. Now at least like this, the stuff has some kind of a chance at surviving without getting too messed up. And this is all the material they included was this piece of bubble paper, which I'll just put here on top so we can just throw these in like this. But I mean, like, come on people, just pay a little bit of attention. Even using the same pack of materials they did, this is 10 times better. Really starting to get tired of stupid. It knows no bounds, it's all over the place, and it's completely out of control.